channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Today's vlog is about our kayaking experience, as Qatar has gradually lifted the lockdown and we thought why not to have an amazing family day doing kayaking. We booked the trip in advance and it's located in Dakhira mangroves, which is approximately 50 kilometers from Doha. We were given basic training by an instructor before we started kayaking. You can see the mangroves are all natural and beautiful, and we thoroughly enjoyed a lot. Please check out the link below for more details. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.